In this tutorial, we're going to look at indexing and searching of the indexes. To begin, we click on Search Terms. Go to Create and Edit. I'll give my search term a name. I'll call this temp for now. And I can put in terms manually here, or I can choose to use the term builder. I can go between exact, stemming, within, and pre, just as always. Or I can just start typing in terms. If I want to look for needle or finder or needle within to a finder, I can do that. Preview works, tells us how many hits within the entire case it'll get for each different line. Now the change in 4.3 for search terms and indexing is that instead of having to wait when you hit save and return for it to save the search results to the database before you can do anything else, it just lets you go and it says your search request has been submitted. This search will be available for use once the search has been completed. It does it for you in the background, and you can move on to do other things, including create other searches. So for instance, I'll go back and create another one called temp2, and this will have other terms, and I'll be able to hit save and return. Once again, it tells you that that's been submitted, and you can do other things while you're waiting for that in the background, which can be a very handy thing. How do you know when it's done? You go into the search terms, and as long as there is no warning next to the actual term that you created, it's ready to use, and you can select it and hit add. The warning that you would see would be busy. That means it's still busy trying to go through and do the searches. Now the searches I did were pretty simple and they finished very quickly. But whenever we have long lists of search terms, then those can take a long time to actually process. And those are the ones that we'll be able to process in the background while you're able to go forward and move and do other things. Thanks for joining us. Have a good day.